Children, tell me, what do you understand by retirement from occupation? It means that the person is not going to do the same work again and he had put a stop to that work. Okay, tell me, when do people retire? People retire in old age. For what reason do people have to retire from their occupation? Mostly people retire in old age as their body becomes weak and the person is not able to do his assigned duties with the enthusiasm. People working in government offices and banks have to retire at 58 or 60 as it is the prescribed age for retirement. How do people spend their time after retirement? Ma'am, my grandfather have a group of friends of his age. He meets them regularly and spends his time. Ma'am, my grandfather does social work. He works in a charitable institution. Great. Now answer my question based on the lesson. Children, tell me, why was the mason called a very good workman? He was called a very good workman because he always strove to do his work to perfection. He would take great interest in his work and do it with full dedication. What sudden decision did the mason take? The mason took a sudden decision of retiring from his job. Correct. What was the contrast in the workmanship of the last house? The contrast in the workmanship of the last house was that he built that house roughly and carelessly without interest or dedication. Even the building materials used were of low quality. What shock awaited the mason? The shock that awaited the mason was that the house which he had built carelessly was a gift to him from his contractor. Good answers, children. Now I will show you some professionals and the work they do in two different columns. You have to choose the correct option and match them. Let's start. Architect. Plans and design structure. Engineer. Ensure structure will be strong and stable. Building contractor. Supervises construction, employs workers, professionals, etc. Carpenter. Makes wooden framework of doors, windows, etc. Mason. Builds walls, roof, etc. and plasters. Tiler. Does the flooring. Interior decorator. Beautifies the inside of a home. Well done, children.